Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lug width and matching the replacement band. This prevents wasted effort. Lay the watch face down on a soft pad to protect the crystal and use a spring bar tool to engage the flange gently. As you depress the spring bar, angle it toward the gap until it clears the lug hole. Do not pry. Once the bar retracts, remove the old strap and inspect the bars and lugs for wear before proceeding. You insert the spring bar into the new strap so both ends are even, then compress it with the tool. While holding one end in the lug hole, angle and ease the opposite end into place. Feel for the click as it engages. Once seated, move the strap gently to ensure it remains flush against the case and the bar doesn't pop out. If your watch has quick-release pins, use the small tab to lock them, otherwise repeat for the other side carefully. You finish by pulling gently on the strap to confirm the spring bars are secure and the strap does not shift. This verifies installation. If you notice play or a bar that won't seat, replace it rather than forcing it, because a failed bar can cause loss. Once done, wear the watch and recheck after a day. If you experience persistent looseness, a bent lug or worn hole often means a professional adjustment is required. Seek a watchmaker to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.